Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock Cloudflare on your Chrome. Now click on guys, the easiest way to do this, come and tap on these three dots, come and choose settings. After that, choose privacy and security. Now once you choose privacy and security, you can first come over here and then choose the third party cookies. Now scroll down over here and make sure this is turned on. So go ahead and confirm. After turning it on, come back to privacy and security. Come to the browsing data. Go ahead, select more, choose all time, then click delete browsing data. Now in most cases, if your browsing data is having corrupt issues, it won't enable you unblock Cloudflare. But if you delete everything, you'll be able to unblock Cloudflare. And basically, that's the video. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.